Nasdaq's a tricky trader, beware the fall. Technical tools may help, but watch your wall. Hirami candles flicker, inversions come and go. Protect your cash, don't let it all blow. Nasdaq's a nasty girl, don't go full port. She takes your cash in a flash, be careful with your heart. The opening range trade still bangs, but stay alert. Methodical man prefers inversions, get your cash and protect yours. Market warning, listen close and heed. Daily payouts can fool, but they're not what they seem. Be resilient, don't give up, keep your guard tight. Trading isn't for the weak, so stay in the fight. Inversions rise, Hirami fall. Stay cautious, don't let your capital stall. Nasdaq's a nasty gal, don't go full port. She takes her cash in a flash, be careful with your heart. The opening range trade still bangs, but stay alert. Methodical man prefers inversions, get your cash and protect yours.
Good morning. Max barking right away. Good morning. What up, Wayne? How you doing? Yeah, it looks like the market just opened back up. But the problem is you need to be careful. You need to be careful because most prop firms have announced that you're trading at your own risk here. And, you know, what's that mean? That means if you decide to trade and something happens and you get screwed, you're probably on your own. You're probably fucked. So you might want to be careful here this morning. Got my microphone too close to my mouth. There we go. So yeah, for that reason, I would probably just be careful today. I mean, it's number one, it's the day after a holiday anyway. Do you really want to be pushing the button, right? Do you really want to be pushing that old button over there? Morning, Andy. We are going to get some giveaways rocking this morning. Let me get them set up. I don't want the giveaway sticker to be saying the wrong thing, so I got to update that. Complete. Let's edit. There we go. Good morning, Martin. I wonder if I can go live. I didn't even think about checking this. I was supposed to be checking this stuff last night, and I just completely forgot. I don't know if I can. I don't know if I can go live on TikTok at the same time. We're going to find out. We are about to find out. I think you have to do it through Streamlabs or there's like issues, but we're going to find out here in a moment. Let's see. Trying to get this pulled up to where I can actually. When can I see the likes? It's normally here. Oh, there it is. Just use virtual camera. Yeah, I'm on OBS. I hate all these stupid notifications. How do I turn this shit off? Let's see. I am going to turn this off. Alright, let's figure out somewhere to put this thing. It might say that like the camera's busy or something. Yeah, it does say it's occupied. All right, guys, we're going to be giving some away some accounts this morning. They are from YRM Prop. And I'm not super familiar with this prop firm, so take that for what it's worth. You know, these are just free accounts they gave me to give away, so I'm going to give them to you guys. Yeah, I don't think I'll be able to do those together this morning. We'll just wait. But exclamation point MM in the chat. If you want to enter the giveaway. Again, it's for a 50K YRM prop account. Yeah, Phil Coast. That's what I'm doing. No. Nothing like that. We're here at the house. I did look into the YRM prop. They look fine. I mean, I'll go over kind of some things about them right quick. Let's do that. I'll tell you guys kind of what they're about. If you want to buy an account, they do have cheap accounts and no activation fee. I do have a code with them. Again, I'm not really like promoting them per se, saying that I'm trading them and that I trust them and this, that, and the other. But if you want to sign up, you can. So effectively, 50K accounts around $40 to $45. There's no activation fee. You get $2,000 in end-of-day drawdown. There's a 50% consistency rule in the eval. Once you're funded, there's a 35% consistency rule. $3,000 profit target, 10 trading days to get to payout, and a $2,100 buffer. You cannot micro scalp, you can DCA, you can't trade the news, no bots, and you can't copy trade. That's the gist. So that is the gist, and I think they're having a pretty good sale right now. I'm going to give away eight free accounts. Good morning, Francis. Good morning. Let's check out the previous day close and mark that out. That's over here. Close 299.75. So we do have a little gap to the upside here. I don't know how long I'll be on this morning. I'm really not planning on doing all that much trading. For the most part, we're going to be doing the giveaways. I mean, if we see something and we're like, light bulb, then we might take it. But other than that, probably not going to do a ton of trading. We did take some trades overnight. The volatility last night was actually... I'm not saying it was good, because it wasn't good, but compared to the night before, we did have a 50 or 60 point range, as opposed to like a 25 or a 30 point range. What up, Tech T? Yeah, up early, just jumping on here, because I don't know. I'm going to be on My Thunder Futures TV at some point today, and I don't know what the deal is with that, like what time or anything. Squillion, you think they reset accounts that was in trades during the halt? I doubt it, Squillion, to be honest. But I kind of doubt it, but I could be wrong. Depends on what prop we're talking about, right? I mean, some props might, and some others might not. It just depends. Who knows? Who knows? Who knows? As long as you don't lose them. Oh, TPT. TPT may take care of you. Oh, you thought you screwed yourself? Nah, I don't know. I mean, like, here's the thing. I mean, as long as you were long, if you were long, then you just made money, right? On this open back up. I mean, we had a 65-point ripper. I don't see a reason for very many people to have been short when the halt happened. It looks to me like long was the play. So, oh, they ended up pretty square. Yeah, Bowser, exactly. You were long. You're probably okay then, Squillion. I mean, are you able to close the position now, or did it open back up and you're completely out of the position or something? Anybody else's top step saying the market is closed? I don't know. I don't know. You thought you were wrong about the closing time. That would be confusing, right? It just stops moving. You're like, what the hell? What the hell's going on here? What's the deal here? Let me show you guys what we did overnight here. Let me get all this stuff pulled up. I could not get my Bulenox connection to connect this morning. Let's see if it connects now. Connected now. We did take a few trades there overnight. So I got my $50 base hit. The cool thing is, look at this, guys. We have every single account that's funded back above $50,000 except for this one. This one account is at $49,982, but every other account is back in the black. Let's go. I mean, that was a lot of grinding. If you guys don't know, let me kind of show you what we were dealing with there. Let me just show you guys. You think you leave those accounts alone? Yeah, for sure. Don't touch them. I would not touch them. But let me show you guys kind of what we were dealing with there. Exclamation point MM in the chat. We're going to do some account giveaways. Good morning, Danielle. Let me show you guys why those accounts were in the red and kind of what the deal, what we were dealing with. Let's see here. So you can see here, this is once I went to the, thanks, William. This is once I went to the base hits. Good morning, I think that's Robert, Tucson kid. So this is once I went to the base hits, right? You can see last month. So we went to the $50 base hit. What did that do for us? Well, I mean, these are not big trades. These are not big trades. The average winner's probably $50-ish, somewhere in there, right? But how did I get to needing to go to that? Well, let's go to the previous month. We start off the month, you know, a couple of green days, small green days, and then bam, lost $500. Then a couple of small days, and then bam, lost $250. You know, a couple of small green days, you know, a week and a half there, doing pretty well. Bam, switched back to a mini, lost $676. So at this point, we were in the red about $1,000 after this day here. And so after this day here, and I was in the red on all my funded accounts around $1,000, I'd say, you know what? I'm going to go to the $50 a day base hit, $50 to $100 a day. So that's where it started around the 28th. I was doing it kind of here. I had that same kind of idea in my mind, but I hadn't really committed to it, as you can see. Once I committed to it, we had 4 green days there, and then the entire month of November, 5, 10, 15, 19. So 23 green days in a row. Once I went to the base hit 24, counting the one that hasn't updated yet. So that's once we went to the base hit, just to get us back to the Mendoza line, if you will, back to just even, back to $50,000. That's what it took. So, good morning, Punisher. So, yeah, that's where we're at now. Again, you know, some accounts are a little bit of, you know, some are a little more red than others. I mean, you can see the Take Profit Traders, $300, $200, and $100 in profit. We just passed those. We got 2 more that are around $450 away from passing. Then our PA accounts. This one's up 300, 700, 700, 700, 100. And then the rest of them are going to be right between that 50,000 and the 100 mark. That one's up 394, 213, 200, 196, 200. This is the only one that's still below that line. And then our My Funded Futures evals are up about $1,000. Our Lucid direct accounts are up 350, 370. And then our trade day accounts are up about $1,800 or $1,900 there. And the Buell and Oxes are up 500. So it's going to continue that $50 to $100 grind. I realize we're not going to get to payout until, middle-ish of January. And we have to be okay with that. Good morning, Keegan. Clarity in the house. Trading Star, what up? Yeah, we have to be okay with that. You know what I'm saying? It's one of those things where, I would love to get to payout before the end of the year, right? Oh, we could probably push it and maybe make it. But what's the point of that? Obviously, what we're doing right now is working. So let's just stick to it and not worry about the payout, if you will. Trading cattle is more profitable than orange juice? It could be. It could be. What up, Yonix? All right, guys, let's get the giveaway started early here. Let's go ahead and pull one winner. Again, I got 8 winners to pull. So I'm going to pull a winner now. We only got 23 people in the giveaway. Exclamation point MM in the chat. If you want to enter, we're going to be giving away an YRM prop account. Again, most of the prop firms are saying CME Group has resolved the issue and reopened the market. The market data and trading functionality should now be operating normally. Thank you for your patience. Trade at your own risk. Yada, yada, yada. I'd be very careful if I were you guys. I'd be very careful. Now, the YRM group does not have, YRM prop does not have activation fees. So, theoretically, these accounts should be able to be activated without paying a fee. Yeah, Queen of Trades, exactly. I wouldn't trade today either. Hey, Queen of Trades, now that we're in more of a private setting and not on My Funded Futures TV, yeah, I saw you in Launch Point Trading's chat the other night. That's where you were. And you mentioned taking a winning trade for about $800. And he was like, "Oh, send me your executions in an email." And then he claimed that you had a YouTube channel that you stream or something. Let me look at your channel. And he just blocked you. So that's who I was talking about. He blocked you. I mean, I'm pretty sure that was you. It doesn't look like you even stream. Launch Point Trading. I think that was you. It was something Queen of something. If it wasn't you, maybe I got you mistaken. Yeah, that's what I just looked. He was like, "Oh, I see she's a streamer." And I'm like, "I just looked at your YouTube. You have 1 subscriber." He sounds less cool than MM. Yeah. Now, that's what pissed me off was that he blocked her, because I was like, why are you going to block some person that's just telling you about their trade? It's stupid. So, it may have been someone else. It might have been. It might have been someone with a similar name or something. I don't know. It's just funny. I was like, what? All right, guys. I'm going to go ahead and pull the first winner here. And we're doing 8. So if you're not in, it's okay. Stick around. You don't have to enter more than once. So the winner is Cruz Raduan. Cruz Raduan. Cruz, are you here? What up, BK? Morning, Rob. Cruz, send me an email to methodicalman@gmail.com. Putting my email in the chat here. All I need you to do, I'm going to pin that right quick, is click at the top right-hand corner on your YouTube channel, screenshot showing that you're logged in, shoot me an email, and I will send you a code to use at checkout for a 50K account from YRM Prop. YRM Prop. And we're going to do the next giveaway in just a few minutes. Good morning, LJC. And at the end, we will do a TPT 150K account at the end. Happy Thanksgiving, John. John Edmondson. A day late. $1 short and a day late. Hey, John, did Kenny? I couldn't tell. It looked like Mary posted something on social media. It looked like Kenny was down. Were they down yesterday? Because if he came down and he didn't tell me, I'm going to have to put my foot in his rear end. Oh. Going to have to put my foot in his rear end. That's right. I said it. Maybe he's still down. Maybe he's staying for the weekend and he's going to call me later on. They didn't come down? Okay, good. I wasn't sure if those pictures were old or not. I was going to be mad he didn't say nothing. It sounds like something he would do. You know what I mean? It just sounds like something he'd do. He's done that before. He comes down and he's like, "Oh, I was down yesterday." I'm like, "You jackass, why you didn't call me?" So, do I think Bulenox is a good deal? Yeah, Bulenox is a great deal. I wish they would do the 91% off, but 85%, you can't complain. Listen, guys, I'll run through the deals right quick with you guys. So, My Funded Futures is 50% off the Pro account today only. Okay, 50% off the Pro account. That puts the Pro account at $113, I believe. And like, what's the advantages of the Pro account? Well, the advantages of the Pro account is you take a payout every 14 days. It's not trading days based. It's every 14 days. So that's code MM on that. I was trying to find the promo. Here it is. So here's the promo. You get 50% off. 1 in 10 purchases win a free reset. Let's zoom in a little bit. Biggest discount of the year. No activation fee. Request up to 100K in payouts. Expires at 3 a.m. tonight or tomorrow morning. 3 uses max. So at $113, I do think that makes this a really good deal. Use code MM on that if you're interested. And while these prop firms give discounted prices all year long, sometimes it's a better discount. Why not just set the base prices? Batsky, you know, it's like anything in life. It's a sale, right? It's a sale. Then you got Lucid Flex accounts that are going to be 40% off. Now, I do think this is a really good deal as well. These accounts are going to have no daily loss limit, no consistency rule, no buffer. So once you meet the trading days, buy 5 evals, get 1 free reset, 40% off, code MM. Once you get the trading days in, you can just take a payout, and you don't have to leave a buffer in the account. You just have to remember the profit split. So that's a pretty good deal. And then Fideas has rocked out with a 90% off sale. So Fideas is coming in with that 90% off. You can pass in 1 day. Daily payouts once live funded. You know, everything's the same. It's very similar to old school rules from Apex. You can get 5 50K intraday trailing accounts, and it's basically the same rules as old school Apex, like Apex 1.0. You got to make, once you're funded, so you can pass in 1 day. Once you're funded, you can you make 2,600. You can take out 2,100. So it's the same kind of setup there. The only kicker is the 50K accounts. You got to get 4,000 in profit instead of 3,000 with the $2,500, 2,600 in drawdown. Now this is also the place that's offering the static 25K accounts for $8. So if you're interested in the static 25-day accounts, they are only $8. Let me pull it up here and show you guys. Let's just scroll down. So static So if you don't want to pay the activation fee, you can just pay $55. Code MM on this one too. But this one's $8.80, and then it has an activation fee of $83. So you have to choose. Like, okay, do I think I can pass it in one go? If you can pass it in one go, it's cheaper to go this route. If you just want to hedge, you can go this route. You get $500 in drawdown, you got to make $1,500. So the key to these accounts are, if you buy two, you make $250 in both accounts. That gives you $750 in drawdown. Then you can long one, short one. Since it's static, you're guaranteed to pass one. So if you buy two, you make $250 in both. You long one, you short one, you're guaranteed to pass one. So that would be $17 up front, and then $83 to pass. So for $100, you would then have a funded static account. Now, of course, you're going to be stuck to just trading one micro on that because of the restriction, because of the drawdown restriction. My code's MM Travis. Morning, Mad Moxie. The Lucid Flex, I don't know if it started yet. So, yeah, Zabak, I think that those are the best deals right now. And I was looking at Bulenox. Let me see if they've done anything different. Bulenox is 85% off, which is still a really good deal. Let's see. Yeah, they're still just 85. But that's for option 1 and option 2. So if you're someone who's like, you know, I like Bulenox, but I want an end-of-day account. Well, then you can get the Bulenox end-of-day account. The 25K or the 50K is the only two I recommend. And those are included in this 85% off sale. They rarely have a sale that large on the end-of-day account. So if that's something you're interested in. Lucid straight to funding price. Let's see what it is. I bought my accounts when they were having it was around $250 for the direct to funded account. Dun, 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 dun. Let me see if Lucid's got those on there yet. They were supposed to start those today. Right now they don't have them on there yet. Still just says Lucid Direct and Lucid Test. It should start today at some point. So the 50K account's $343 and the 25K is $238. I went with the 50K. I do think they're gonna. I don't know what time their sale's gonna start. Because, like, let's do the math here. If it's $4.99 and it's 40% off, then that should be $200 off. So that should make it $2.99. So their sale, this must be 30%. I don't know when their sale starts. I don't know when it starts. My Fund of Futures needs a discount on the core. Yeah, I don't know why they're not doing that, but they're just not. What up, Wayne? Did you enjoy your vacation? Yeah, Wayne, I need the 90% off too. And also, guys, let's not sleep on funding ticks. This may be the best discount of them all right now, okay? The funding ticks accounts, they are 50% off right now for the funding ticks 50K. What is it called? I don't even know what it's called. Let's log in and I'll show you guys. But $45 with no activation fee. So you can buy this account for $45 and no activation fee. So the one step Funding Ticks Pro, let's see. Should be $45, yeah. So you can see here for this account here. So for the 50K with the $1,000 payouts, you can get 6 of these accounts. The Funding Ticks Pro, end of day, $45 to purchase that account. No activation fee. That's a really good deal. All right, Cruz, I'll check your email in a minute. Timbo in the house. What up, Alexi? Yeah, YRM's something new. It's not a prop that I'm saying is like a great prop. I'm just saying that they're fine. You know, Kellyanne, she says they're okay. Not that that's the end all be all, but, you know. She has them under the okay, I guess, list. Or new list. I don't know. Whatever it is. They gave me some codes. Some of you guys said that you use them. So for that reason, I'm happily giving you guys the codes to give away. So, you trade them, Alexa. You've not got the payout yet? Yeah. So far, Funding Ticks is the best deal. I think so, too. What is YRM in full? I have no idea. It's called YRM Prop. And I'll tell you a little bit about them. They got a good deal going on right now. It's like $45, no activation fee if you wanted to just purchase the accounts. They offer Quantower, DX Feed, ATOS, and Volumetrica. You can use 5 minis or 50 micros, $2,000 end of day drawdown, 50% consistency in the eval, 35% consistency once funded, $3,000 profit target in the eval, 2 days to pass in the eval, 10 days to get to payout. Your buffer is $2,100. Your first payout maximum is $1,500. Looks like you can withdraw from the buffer. 90-10 profit split, no micro scalping. You can DCA, you can't trade news. They don't like bots, and you can copy trade. That's the quick run. That's like the quick rundown. What's up, Matt? 50% off of at MyFunder Futures. Yeah, off the pro account. I do like these Lucid Flex accounts. Why does it not say when they're dropping those though? Like the promo doesn't say when they're dropping them. It says they end December 3rd at 5. So I mean, I guess we have until the 3rd to purchase them, so not a big deal. But you know, yeah, I wish the promo was up now because I like the Lucid Flex, and I like the Funding Ticks deal right now. I mean, $45 for an account, like you can't beat that, right? You can get 650K accounts. So, in other words, you can't do shit. I don't know what you talking about with them. No micro scalping. You can DCA. You can't trade news. You can't use bots. I mean, it's pretty standard. Most places don't want you trading news. Now, that's in the funded account. You can trade news in the eval. You can micro scalp in the eval, and I don't know what their micro scalping rules are. Like, I have no idea. Most of the time, it's 5 points or less for most places. Joaquin in the house. What up? I don't know, man. I don't know what's wrong with them. That's actually the release date. Is it, Sean? Is that the release date? It says valid through. So I don't. If that was the release date, it would say starting. I don't know. What up, son of Wall Street? Happy Black Friday to you as well. Trade day discount still 30% off, no activation fee right now. Guys, trade day is actually slept on. No, it says you can DCA, Alexi. You can DCA. DCA is allowed. Oh, is it really? Sean, you think so? That would be crazy, wouldn't it? Yeah, guys, don't press the button today. Please listen to my warning. Don't trade. It's not worth it. It's not worth the CME group going down. And here's the thing. Most of the prop firms are saying trade at your own risk. It's just not worth it, guys. You could get long here, and it might be a great long, right? And then CME data could go down, and then when it comes back up, it could be down in the 250s, 260s, and your account's blown. And they're saying trade at your own risk effectively. So, why do you want a full port? Don't do it, Joaquin, or do it. It's up to you. You can full port this account here. So, you can full port the YRM account if you wanted to. Preserve the accounts you worked hard for it. Exactly. It's just not worth it. Jedi FX, welcome to the Methodical Crew. Thank you for your subscription. You the man. All right, guys, 3 minutes. Countdown to the next giveaway. We're giving away 8 YRM prop accounts today. We've already given away 1. And then at the very end, we're going to give away a 150K Take Profit Trader account. Yeah, it's not showing up yet, Tech T. Now we know Joaquin's joking. He's joking. Yoma, Joaquin, whatever you want me to call you. I think your real name's Joaquin. Joaquin. Guys, I'll show you this one more time. I showed it on my last stream. Let's show it again. If you guys don't know how to change your name to back to what you want it to be, come up to the top right corner, click View Your Channel, go to Customize Channel, and scroll down to Handle right here. And you can change your name back to what you originally had it at. So you see how I changed mine back, and then you just publish it to save it. So again, view your channel, view channel, customize channel, and then go down to handle. You can change it back to what it used to be. If you want to. If you don't care, leave it the way it is. It's up to you. Also, hit that subscribe button. That's right. Hit the like button. Do it. Do it, Joaquin. See, look, you already changed it to Joaquin Alderweireld. You won't do it? You won't do it? But that's how you change your name back. I'm going to make a little short. I'm going to make a short video, and I'm going to post a short today on how to do that. I think it'll be, a lot of people don't know how to do it. Oh, the other one is your burner? Oh, let's go. Get in that giveaway, Joaquin. I'm not going to the Georgia Tech game today, Travis, because yours now says Matt Rad. Because I'm going to the Atlanta Hawks versus the Cleveland Cavaliers. Jason, I take Jason to the Atlanta Hawks versus the Cavs game every year. So when they play in Atlanta. And I did not realize that the Georgia game was also today. But, yeah. So I'm not going. I'll be watching it while we're driving. And, while we're in the State Farm Arena next door. We'll be next door to it. So I've been good, Joaquin. Been good. We've been in a bit of a trader rehab. Taking base hits. What I think about Lilu? I don't know anything about Lilu, to be honest with you. Here's what we're doing, Joaquin. So we currently have 33 funded accounts, and we're just taking base hits. You can just see the small balances, base hits of $50 to $100 a day using micros. Yeah, I know it's a sissy move, but hey, that's what I'm doing. And you can see we've been pretty well killing it. I mean, we've had 24 green days in a row doing it this way. So if it's working, why do anything about it? And the goal is to be to 43 funded accounts within the next week. So, yeah, Jamie, yeah, no problem. All right, guys, that's the sound of the buzzer. Right now we have 33 funded accounts. The goal is to be to 43 by the end of the week. And the winner is, January to February, we're looking at big payout. Big payout. That's what we're looking at as long as we continue down this path. We might make more money in January and February than we did the entire year. So, now no payouts yet, Joaquin. I haven't gotten them to pay out. I'm using Replicanto, Texas Pete, to copy trade, and also I'm going to be using TradeSyncer as well. So, the winner is Con Divergence. Con Divergence, step to the front of the line. You got 3 minutes, Con Divergence. Where you at? You don't have to re-enter after every giveaway, guys. I'll just restart it. So I'm using TradeSyncer for my Fideas accounts because they're also, you can only have one rhythmic connection on Replicanto. So what I'm doing is I'm using a lead account, my lead account from Replicanto, and that's one rhythmic connection on TradeSyncer. And then I've got my Fideas accounts connected on TradeSyncer. So the lead account from TradeSyncer will trigger the Replicanto trader, and then it will also trade across the 5 Fideas accounts that are not on Replicanto. So, thank you, Joaquin. Thank you. You the man. Con Divergence, where you at? Step forward. Claim your prize. I'm not using the Quantire copier right now. Good morning, Takamura. I'm not using the quant tower right now for anything. I'm trying to move everything to Tradeovate and using the Trade Syncer connection for anything that only has Rhythmic. So, now I'm still trading the IFEG, Joaquin. It's just I've added more things into it now, and I can go over that kind of stuff with you privately. But yeah, like the previous day close, I'm taking that previous day close, first touch after 10 a.m. on everything. Generally, I mean that's been paying amazingly. So, what am I trading right now? Well, right now my funded futures eval. I'm working on 5 my funded futures evals, 3 trade day evals, 2 take profit trader evals, and I think that's it. Yeah, those are the 10 evals that I'm working on right now. Why the Tradeovate migration? Because of Replicanto. So with Replicanto, you can have as many Tradeovate accounts connected as you like. I can have 20 Tradeovate connections on Replicanto if I wanted to, but I can only have 1 Rhythmic, right? So that means if it's a Tradeovate connection, it can just be on here. So you can see my funded futures accounts are on here. I'm just migrating everything over to Tradeovate for that reason. That way everything can be on the same copier. I can take one trade, don't have to press the button. Yeah, this is the PropCon Divergence. Go ahead and send me an email to methodicalman@gmail.com. You just won, and we'll get that code over to you. You need to send me a screenshot showing you, well, you've won before, so just use the same email that you've used before, and it'll be fine. Is the cheaper price worth it? Yes, Travis, it is. $45, you can have 6 accounts. You can take out $1,000 a week across 6 accounts. It's really, really, really nice. So, yeah, Joaquin, that's what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to think of things, like I was trying to do things that made sense, that kind of work with my mentality. So, all right, we'll do another giveaway in just a few minutes. We're still doing the giveaway room. We've given away 2, and we're going to do 8 YRM prop accounts. 8 YRM prop accounts we're giving away, and then at the very end, we're giving away 1 Take Profit Trader 150K account. You watch Rocking Bewley and Apex accounts. Just celebrated my 1-year anniversary with the 25K. Let's go. Sorry, room. I'm telling you now. Trader on tilt, funding ticks. So if we go to funding ticks, right? Let's go to funding ticks. I'll show you guys what you got to do to get an account here. Let's just make sure it doesn't show any of my personal information. All right, I don't think it does. So you're going to go funding ticks 1 step. We're going to go funding ticks pro plus end of day trailing. We're going to go 50K account. We're going to go $1,000 per, and then the account size 50K. And then you're going to put the best code in the world in here, MM. You're going to hit apply, and it's not going to let you do the discount because obviously that's my own code. But put MM in, not this trash code here. But with the great MM code, you're going to get $45. And that is an excellent deal. No activation fee. And I think you only got to make $2,500 to pass these accounts, right? I think you only need $2,500 to pass the account. Good morning, Coach Fred. How many new prop firms have come out? Dude, so many. It's insane. So Funding Ticks only has Tradeovate. Yeah, I mean, they have other places to use it as well, but Tradeovate is one of their main ones. So $2,500 to pass. I mean, it's a really good deal, man. It's a really good deal. Who all do they have? Let's see where you can trade them at. I don't even know where you can trade them at because I've just... Platforms. Let's look at it. Well, that doesn't tell me anything. I don't know who all they have there. You can use Quantower? Oh, you can't use Quantower. I got you. You're chilling with buying new ones close to pound on both. Let's go. That's all that matters. Listen, you don't need a ton of accounts. You really don't. You don't need a ton of accounts. Oh, Tradeovate, Ninja Trader, TradingView. So they do offer Ninja Trader. $90% off right now on Fideus room. Excuse me. They're the only ones who have came out with the 90% off. So Fideus, 90% off. Also, I think Day Traders is 91% off if you want to give them a try as well. Day Traders prices are a little more expensive, so even at 91% off, I think the account's still like $25 or $30. Let me see. And my code there is MM. Apex is still 80% off, guys. $40 activation fee. If you go with the 100K account, it's only a $10 activation fee. So let me see how much the trailing accounts are at Day Traders. Okay, so for the 50K, it's $34.11, even with the 90% off. Fideus, yeah. Fideus. Son of Wall Street, you're in the wrong chat. No Cove Trader in here. Nothing wrong with that room. You can give YRM a try, though, if you win. Need to make a prop firm company? Nah, I can't do that. I can't do any props. Scam everybody. Rug pull everybody. Trade day is still 30% off, Alexi. They haven't announced anything yet. You're waiting for a $1 account with no activation fee? I mean, it could be a long wait, this trading start. Could be a long wait. It might be. That would be nice, Matt. That would be nice. 90% off and $10 activation. Yeah, Lucid and My Fund Futures are, I mean, they're very good props, right? Coach Fred would hit me with the nutty bar. Sam Burham, welcome to the Methodical Crew. Thank you for your subscription. You the man. The funny tick sale ends, I don't know. I think it's today. Yeah, it's only one day. Lucid is the only one I think that doesn't end today. So funding ticks ends in like 7 hours, 8 hours. The prop wars have began. Yeah, not super too many prop wars, but you know. All right, guys, I'm going to set the timer. 3 minutes. We're going to draw the next giveaway. It's going to be a 50K YRM prop account. If you're not familiar with YRM, let me give you a quick rundown. They have Quantower, DXFeed, ATOS, and Volumetrica. You can trade 5 minis or 50 micros, $2,000 end-of-day drawdown with a $3,000 profit target, 2 days to pass with a 50% consistency in the eval, 35% once you go to funded. You got to trade 10 days and make $2,100 to get to payout. Your first payout's $1,500 max, 90-10 profit split, no micro scalping. You can DCA, no news, no bots. You can copy trade. That's the rundown. That's the quick rundown. I know that's fast, but just to tell you a little bit about them. What up, Son of Wall Street? Just to give you a little rundown. Exclamation point MM in the chat if you want to enter the giveaway. I like the pro account too. Some people don't like the sell. And like, listen, there's so many options out there. If you don't like one sell, you certainly don't have to, you don't have to buy it. So many other options, right? So many other options. No activation fee, right, Punisher? You can DCA, Convergence. Traders launch. They were supposed to get me an account. They didn't get me one yet. So, yeah, it's not a bad deal with YRM. I think they got like $40 account with no activation fee as well right now. They are a newer prop, so, you know, be aware of that. Oh. How many funded accounts can you have? Let's find out. You can have... Good question. I have no idea. It doesn't say. Hold on one second. I'm trying to read. 3 accounts with, okay, 3 accounts. 3 accounts. There you go. Yeah, you can copy trade. Show, but it says copy trading is fine. Claudia, I had a problem with that this morning. I had to connect 3 times. Disconnect and 3 connects. What's the max amount of capital you can manage? Where, Harrison? All right, where are you talking about? Just in general? I mean, as many as you want. There we go. Alexi got it. Yeah, I just had to keep trying. It finally went through. All right, next winner is. The winner is winner number 3. Let's see. Let me refresh it. Richard Johnson has won the giveaway. Richard Johnson, come forward. You got 3 minutes. Rigged. We got 5 more, guys. Richard Johnson, where you at? Pinch it off, Richard. Come forward. You was asking about the total for the firm. 3. Yeah, 3. Dick Johnson. I love it, Timbo. Dick Johnson. You'll be number 67. All right, that'll work. Does the first name Richard count? No. It's got to be Richard. Room, you're long? I would not. Oh, long? Are you saying Long D Johnson room, or is that what you're saying? Alexi's going to wait for the TPT. Yeah, at the end, guys, we're going to give away a TPT account. 150K. No activation fee on that either. You pass that, it's a free account. We at the casino? Let's go, E-Tech. Win some for me. You can trade the PA room, but why would you? Don't do it. Don't do it. Queen of Trades would love the TPT. Yeah, you only got to enter once. You only got to enter once. I will say I'm not going to allow repeat winners today, so if you win once, you can't win the second time. I think that's fair, right? Isn't that fair? I actually don't think it will pick you twice. So if you do win once, you're done for the day. Yeah, the winner's not here yet. Richard Johnson, where you at? Bring your Johnson to the front and collect your prize. You got 1 minute. Let me see if I can add him. You got 1 minute. Hey, a man can do a lot in a minute. You know what I mean? There is no activation fee, Texas Pete. 0, zilch, nada. So if you win the crap account, you can't win the TPT. That's right. That's right. Room, come on, Room. I think you've won a couple of times. Behind the scenes. You also have a Johnson. Let's go. All right, Cruz, I'll check it in a minute. But you won, Room. You won is all I'm saying. 15 seconds for Mr. Dick Johnson to come forward. Sounded like Monster Garage. Kick you out until the TPT? Let me see if I can. All right, Dick Johnson, you're out. The winner is Hums. Hums, where you at? Hums, you got 3 minutes. There's Hums. Hum, send me an email to methodicalman@gmail.com. It's pinned at the top of the chat. Pull your YouTube channel account up. Show me that you're logged in. Include that screenshot, and I'll shoot you over a code. Let's go. Congratulations. Mad Moxie said, claim the account. All right, fine. What I'll do, guys, the TPT account, so you can't win twice on the YRM account. How about that? But I'll redo the entries for everybody once we do the TPT. How about that? Is that fair? So you got a fair shot at winning the TPT, and you can win the YRM account as well. I think that'd be fair. Did I pull the plug? I did, Bo. I got my profits. You notice right after I posted in the Discord, just a few minutes later, the plug was pulled. Richard DM'd you his email. Richard lost already. All right, so that's giveaway winner number 3. We got 5 more, guys. We got Hump. We got Johnson's. Who's next? That's right. All right, we're going to pull again in 8 minutes. We'll put our P&Ls over here. I really am not going to press the button today, guys, unless we get like, if I get a previous day close opportunity, I might take it just on an eval. But other than that, I'm not taking it. Exclamation point MM in the chat if you want to enter the giveaway. You got to be subscribed, so hit the subscribe button first. We're giving away 8 50K YRM accounts and 1 150K TPT account. You don't have to re-enter after you've entered once. You're good to just stay in. Like the video. Yeah, you must like the video. We got 115 likes, 135 viewers. Let's hit that like button. Come on. I guess the open is in a minute and 10 seconds here. The open is, close by. I don't know that it's going to move any more than it really is. ATR sitting at 11, which is not the worst thing in the world on the 2-minute chart. We will be on My Fund of Futures TV at 10:30 this morning. What's the probability of winning an account? Probably 1 in 200. Do I believe Lane is headed to LSU? Man, I think he stays. I think that Lane is I think he's playing games. I think that Lane is going to stay at Ole Miss. That's my feeling. The setups that I normally take for base hits. All right. So there's 2 options. All right. Here's 930. So 2 options. Number 1 option would be to make a new high or a new low and then retest the 21 EMA. And then off the 21 EMA, once we breach the high or the low of the previous candle, I'll take that for 10 points. That's one option. Option number 2 would be a Mancini level failed breakdown reclaim. If you guys aren't following Adam Mancini on Twitter, I promote his stuff pretty much every day. But I follow Adam Mancini on Twitter, and if an ES level, if he calls out like a failed breakdown level on the ES and that triggers overnight, which a lot of times it does, here's Mancini on Twitter, watch for traps below 31 and 24. Then I might use one of those levels. It just depends, right? It's overnight, so it's Asia session. The good news is you can't really get that much in trouble, Kitero. So like most of the time the range is like 50 to 100 points between 6 p.m. and midnight-ish. So kind of difficult to get into too much trouble. Basically what I'm doing is I'm looking at the overall market, and if I think it's bullish, I'm only going to take longs. If I think it's bearish, I'm only going to take shorts. Because here's the deal. Even if it goes up, if I'm bearish and it goes up, let's say the market does this. I'm like, okay, let's say I enter short here and the market goes up. Well, at night you just hold, because eventually, you know, it's going to do that. It's going to come back to where you're at. So that's kind of the idea overnight. Much more difficult to get yourself in trouble that's going to put your account at risk overnight, at night, especially starting with a micro. So that's what I do. I'm not going to say it's not difficult, because it is, but full port confidence. Batsky, Mancini is just someone on Twitter who is very, very good, very, very talented at, you know, basically reading the market. He offers a newsletter that I pay for. He puts this newsletter out every single day. And, you know, there it is. And I may or may not post that in my Discord every day. So if you're not in the Discord, maybe you should join. And you will you have the opportunity to read that. So, yeah, I'm a scalper. We definitely scalp. 1 out of 138. There we go. Can't log into Bulanox. Yeah, I had a problem this morning. I had to do it 3 times. Widespread today, 16 ticks. I mean, makes sense, right? It's just one of those days where, like, I don't know. I kind of think we just grind higher. But at the same time, I'm not, you know, if we get down here after 10 a.m., I might take that. Take a bounce off a little gap fill action. You got the whole number. You got the previous day close. You got the open all right here in this level. Might take it for 10 points. That's the only thing I'm even remotely interested in right now. No, there's going to be no volume today trading for stop loss. No volume. It's going to be a very bad day to trade. Like, if you haven't already gotten your profit overnight or in the morning, I mean, you see what I'm showing here. You haven't already gotten your profits. Like, I'm up $250 on this eval. You know, I think it's a good day to just tuck it in your pocket and just come back on Monday. That's what I think. The Lucid Flex deal, for whatever reason, hasn't launched yet. I don't know when they're going to launch it. As soon as they launch it, I'm buying. I can tell you that. I'm going to get 3 Lucid Flex deals, and I'm going to buy 6 Funding Ticks accounts today. That's what I'm going to do. All right, guys, 1 more minute. We're going to pull the next winner, exclamation point. MM in the chat if you're not in. It's going to be a YRM prop account. I'll do 1 more quick rundown on the YRM prop account. It's not somebody that I'm trading. They are going to give me a free account, full transparency. I am going to trade with them. I'll try to get it to pay out. Kellyanne has promoted them. They're on her like new prop list, but you know, if that means anything to you. They offer Quantower, DX Feed, ATOS, Volumetrica. You can trade 5 minis or 50 micros, $2,000 end-of-day drawdown, 2 days to pass in the eval, 50% consistency, $3,000 profit target. You can trade 10 days, 10 days to get the payout once you're funded. 35% consistency. Your first payout's $1,500, and 90-10 profit split. No micro scalping. You can DCA. No news, no bots, and you can copy trade. That's kind of the rundown. Yeah, Chris, that's what I would do. That's the rundown on them. Picked up 620 QQ call for today. $35 expensive lottery ticket. You think we grind up? Maybe. Yeah, I know. I am familiar with ATOS and Volumetrica. I'm familiar with all of them. I hate Volumetrica. ATOS is okay. DX Feed is what I use on Quantower. So, all right, guys, and the winner is Night Owl. Night Owl, you have won. 8 more trading days needed. All right, cool, Rob. I appreciate you. Night Owl, where you at? Let's give Night Owl 3 minutes to show up. Oh, there's Night Owl. Never mind. Night Owl, send me an email. It's pinned at the top of the chat there, methodicalman@gmail.com. Click at the top right-hand corner right here on YouTube. Show me that you're logged into your YouTube account. I'm going to send all the codes out at one time, guys. So send me the email, and I'll send you a code to use at checkout for a free 50K account. You the man. Congratulations. You guys were not in the giveaway. Again, we got 4 more YRM prop giveaways to do. 4 more. And then we're going to do a 150K TPT account giveaway. I will reopen the entries for the people who won the YRM prop accounts to enter the TPT giveaway as well. So, I mean, kind of makes sense that this pushes up. I mean, like, here's the thing. Like, if we're really kind of looking at this from, like, you know, an overall perspective. Hold on, I got to sneeze. Woo! Good morning, Float Spy Mandy. You know, my next level up really is like 721. But I don't know if we have the energy to get there today. Might would consider a short off like that 480 level. But that's the only thing I would say is maybe I consider a short like 480. Did anyone get stuck in the halt last night? I didn't. Nice job, Takamori. You got lucky there. Nothing wrong with that. You want one of those now? You take your comments back. It's not crap. Which one's the most similar to Trade of 8? I would go with Quantower. It's very easy to set up, very user friendly. So, very user friendly. Every winner you pick, you're going to ban. Yeah, that's what we're going to do. Scrap the redraw? Nah, I don't know. What's gold doing over here? I don't have gold. I got it pulled up over here somewhere. Oh, here it is. Is gold just doing nothing? What is it doing? Am I on the wrong gold chart? To use it on the browser. What? Kind of versions. You can use Volumetrica on a browser. You can use Volumetrica, I believe, on the browser. Nah, Tris, no position right now. 4250. What up, Omnius? Exclamation point MM in the chat if you're new here. If you want to enter the giveaway, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button. Let's roll. Let's roll. You got 2 minutes and 56 seconds to enter the giveaway. There might be a YRM employee watching. Maybe. So the YRM winners can trade it for TPT if they send an aspect to ICT. Not to me, though. Sorry. Sorry about your luck. Little 3 a.m. acoustic.
She said it's all gonna end and it might as well be my fault.
That's what we're listening to right now. The Legends, they're alright. Yeah, Legends is alright. I don't trade with them, but I do have a code with them. Or I thought I had a code with them. I'm not sure what it is. I don't think anybody's ever bought from them. But yeah, they're alright. I don't see anything wrong with them. Should have taken more profits. No, I definitely did not. Now, this trade I would take, but like I really want it to be after 10 a.m. We might still give it a try. We'll give it a try. We'll risk a little bit of our profits. Why not? I'm going to take a previous day close bounce here. I do like that it's at the whole number. And we'll see what happens. Got a bunch of bonus bets with underdog trading. Playing with house money. Let's go. Yeah, main views. Nothing wrong with that, right? I recommend not trading today. Favorite prop from the Black Friday deal. Right now, it's going to be funding ticks. $45 all in for a 50K account. I think the Lucid deal is going to be really good too. I like 85% off Bulenox, but I think funding ticks right now is the best with $45, no activation fee. You open with $40? Dang, Pawn. Nvidia's dumping as well. All right, here we go. The winner is Ranilima. Ranilima? You got an apprentice with them with activation fee, but won't trade it. Oh, I'd like to exchange it with someone else. 3 minutes to connect. Okay, there's Ranilima. Ranilima, you won a 50K YRM prop account. Send me an email. It's pinned at the top of the chat there, methodicalman@gmail.com. Click on the icon at the top right-hand corner. Screenshot this. Show me you're logged in. And I'll get the code over to you. Congratulations. That is winner number 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So let's go ahead and start the timer again. Stuck at 3 for days. Happy Friday. What FNQ? What up? We're just going to rattle these things off, guys. We got 3 more to give away, and then we're going to do the TPT 150K. Going to rattle these things off here. Little gap fill action there, I guess. Trying to. Built it up to 150 just playing around. Dang. Ran it to 1500. We need 140. Yeah, we got 145 likes. Let's go. Everybody enjoyed their Thanksgiving. Or if you're someone who celebrated Thanksgiving, hopefully you had a good time. We ate and ate and ate. Too much. Crystal's out shopping today. Can you believe that? She's out shopping. Happy Friday company end of the year party. Eating, drinking, and people don't want to see. With people you don't want to see. Women be shopping. Women be shopping. Oh, no shopping for me today. We're headed out. We're going to be headed out to the, like I said, the Hawks game later on. Hawks versus Cavs. And then we're going to be locked in for some football tomorrow all day. Hopefully Georgia can pick up the win today. I actually kind of think we're going to smash Georgia Tech. I don't normally say that, those kind of things. But I think that we can out-physical them, and I don't know that their defense can stop us. Now, Haynes King is obviously a huge wild card. You don't know what you're going to get, right? You don't know what you're going to get. If he plays like he did last week against Pitt, or whoever it was, I think it was Pitt, then we'll probably take him. Just online? Nah, yeah, that's true. Shopping for some online accounts, that's true. You fasted from Sunday night till Wednesday night. Didn't work his plan, got full too fast yesterday. I bet you did. I could never do that. Oh, going to Nashville to do some shopping? Dang. Left out at 2 a.m.? Goodness. All right. And the winner is Kosh. Kosh. You got 3 minutes, Kosh. Step forward. 3 minutes. Step forward and claim your account. Max barking for you over there. He said, congratulations. Why is Kosh getting 3 minutes? Everybody else does. Richard did get 3 minutes. He actually got more than 3 minutes. I promise you. All right, Kosh, send me an email to methodicalman@gmail.com. Send me a screenshot showing that you're logged in here. We'll get that code over to you. Everybody gets 3 minutes. I promise. Could have been ICT. Could have been. Got my order sitting down there. I mean, it'd be nice if it gets to 10 a.m. here. Oh. What are the ES levels you have? NQ is not tradable with these crazy spread. So basically we got 68.30, 68.42, 68.51. Mancini has said watch for traps below 30 and 24. So I don't have 24 marked on there. So Mancini basically saying watch for traps of like these levels, right? So maybe a sweep down into the 16, recovery of 24 would be your long. So watch for traps. Maybe the YRM employees aren't that bad after all. Hey, you never know. I don't hate them. I think they're good. They gave me some accounts. I mean, you know, I don't know anything about them all that much, but like I said, if you want to purchase an account with them, code MM. They're supposed to give me a free account to trade, so we'll roll with that when we get it. See how we do. Maybe we're able to pass it and get it to pay out. Convergence, yeah, send me an email. You're on there. Send me an email. I did mention you. You must not have been here. See, the winners right there. Convergence, Cruz, Hums, Night Owl, Ranelima, and Kosh. The email's pinned at the top of the chat. Kosh. methodicalman@gmail.com. A lot of lagging going on this morning. Yeah, I don't know. No compras cuentas de you, prophet? No. Solamente habla inglés aquí, Carlo. Gracias. Coach Fred took the tip. He took the tip. I think you could take it all, Coach Fred. Not just the tip. Not just the tip. I went from United States to Pakistan. Hey. Methodical Man knows a little something. Is there a big difference between Forex and futures? Yes. So Mario, Forex can be manipulated. Spreads can be manipulated by props and things like that. And it's not regulated. It is regulated with futures. So I would stick to futures personally, but there's nothing wrong with trading Forex as long as you know going into it that spreads can be manipulated. What did you log into? I have no clue. No clue. It is what it is. So personally, I think futures over 4x all day, but that's my personal opinion. But Nasdaq and gold, the big difference between Nasdaq and gold is the, you know, gold's $100 a point, Nasdaq is 20, right? So that's the biggest difference. All right, guys, coming up on the next giveaway winner in 30 seconds, exclamation point MM if you want to jump in. We're about to hit it. What are we on? What do we say we're on? Winner number 6 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. No, winner 7. So 2 more, and then we're going to reset it for the TPT giveaway. We will be on My Funded Futures TV with Bull Barbie at 10. Wait. What time am I supposed to be on there? Am I supposed to be on there now? No. 10:30 to 11:30. All right. The winner is Jay Fish. Is this, who is that? Is that Fish Lips? I don't know who that is. Jay Fish. Maybe that's Fish Lips. T, I tried. Hey, that is Fish Lips. Let's go. Patiently waiting for the Thrive giveaway. Jumia. No, Wayne, that's not you. Not you. All right, Jay Fish. Fish Lips. Send me an email. methodicalman@gmail.com. Show me that you're logged into your YouTube channel. Screenshot it. We'll get the code over to you. You the man. All right, one more winner, guys. One more winner. And then we're going to do the TPT draw. One more YRM prop winner. Congratulations. We'll go over that one more time. If you guys want to change your username back to where it was, I'll show you guys one more time how to do that. Click on your icon, go to view your channel, and go to customize channel, and go down to handle, and put the handle back right there to what it was. That's how to change your username back to what it was and get rid of this @ stuff. It'll still say @ but you can change it back. Rest and Bar in Port Canaveral, called Fish Lips, is it now? Restaurant. 200 likes for the TPT account? Maybe. We'll see how many viewers we got. Got 162 likes right now. Let's hit the like button too. Why did the names change? I don't know. It's something that YouTube did, and we don't have any control over it, but I don't know why they did that. Change my name to Cow Milk 6969. I could. I don't want someone to swoop in and take my name, because here's the deal. If you don't change it back and someone jumps in and takes your name, what up, Zach? Then you can no longer change it back to that name. So thanks, Fish Lips. Let's like the video, guys. Got 164 likes. It would be nice to get to 200 likes for the TPT giveaway. Yeah, exactly, ICT. You won't be able to get it. You wouldn't be able to get it back, right? Polish cow. Oh, come on, guys. Create a placeholder account. That's true, too. Well, we might get this trade in after 10 a.m. We'll see. Demand a $5,000 ransom money. You're not getting it unless you pay me $5K. Again, I'm not really looking for any trades. If we get this one, we'll take it. But other than that, what are we in since open? I mean, actually a 90-point range. That's not horrible, honestly. Almost a 2-point spread. Yeah. All right, guys, if you want to enter the giveaway here, we got a minute and a half. Exclamation point MM. And then we're going to do 5 minutes after this giveaway for you to get into the TPT account. You will need to re-enter for the TPT giveaway. ICT, you got to give them a shot, man. You got to give them a shot. Full port. Half port. Something. Why not? It's free. Yeah, just give it the old port report. See what happens. So I'll pull this one and then I'll reset up the I'll set up the next giveaway. Let's go ahead and do that. Well, we'll do it in a minute. Yeah, no worries. We do the best we can. All right, guys. 15 seconds, and then we're going to pull it. And the winner is... Stop. Close entries. Pick winner. The Punisher. Taking down the W. The Punishers. Are you here? Got 3 minutes. Oh, there's the Punisher. The Punisher. Send me an email to methodicalman@gmail.com. You can use the same email that you used last time if you want to. Change handle. Let's go, Fish Lips. That way we know who you are. Yeah, just send me an email. We get it over to you. Now, guys, we are going to do the giveaway for the 150K account. Let me edit this right quick. 150K TPT account giveaway. Confirm. Start. Screen looks like when I used to drink. Blurry, not blurry, blurry. Is it blurry? It does look a little blurry, doesn't it? Why does it look like that? I don't know. All right, I'm going to set the timer, guys. You got 5 minutes to get in on this one. Exclamation point MM in the chat. We got 169 likes. Let's see if we can push that to 200 in the next 5 minutes. We need 31 likes. Hit those alt accounts. I don't mind if you get in on an alt account, but you do got to hit the like button when you join on the alt account. We need to get up to 200 likes to do the giveaway. Let's do it. 200 likes. So if you haven't hit that like button, do that. Because we're going to need that before we do the giveaway. Email sent. All right, Punisher. 179 likes, guys. Get it up to 200. Hit the like button or your Dick Johnson will fall off. Mad Moxie. Oh. Classic. Oh, let's go, guys. You got about 3 minutes here. We got to get it up to 200 likes. Exclamation point MM in the chat if you want to enter the giveaway. 150K Take Profit Trader account giveaway. Guys, if Take Profit Trader is banned in your country, I will not have any other accounts to give you. So if you enter and you win and it's banned in your country, I got to move on to the next person. I don't have any extra accounts to give away today. So just letting you guys know. Normally I have accounts to give away, but I don't have any more. It's the end of the month. We don't get re-upped until Monday. So we'll get re-upped on Monday with Apex and TPT and all that good stuff. My Funded Futures. Three likes away, guys. All right, guys, we got 2 minutes and 7 seconds to enter exclamation point MM. Get it in there. Get it in. Get it in. Cruz, I'm going to send all of the, I'm going to send them all at the same time. So once the stream's over, I'm going to send them all at the same time. No worries, you'll get it. You shall get it. Methodical Man gives what he says he gives. Market seems broken, yeah. I don't know why my chart looks a little blurry today, guys. I'm looking at it myself. Let me check it actually on YouTube and see what it looks like. Let me check it on YouTube and see. Max, come on, bro. Max over here barking like crazy. Let me see. See what mine looks like. No, it's actually not fuzzy on this end. Sorry, let me spray this dog. He is just not. Hey. Hit him with a spray bottle. He doesn't like that. He doesn't like it. All right, guys, we're about to do the giveaway. You got 30 seconds to get in. Exclamation point MM. Edible abuse. I just had him with a little water. He didn't even do anything. Look, he flopped off for a second, and now he's right back to barking. Oh, goodness, this dog. He loves to bark. Can't fault him for it. He loves to bark. Hit him with a zapper. Bzzz. Yeah, at least I'm not using one of those things where you press the button, the dog stops barking. It puts like a loud thing in their ear. He's fine. Look, he came right over here to me. See, look. Rawr. Say hello to everyone. Hello. I am what you have been hearing in the background. Hello. Hello. He doesn't like it when I pick him up like this. That's why he's like leaning back. It's okay. I'm not going to drop you. You know that. Say hello to everyone. Look, long or short, what do you think? Top of the hour here. You think we should buy down here at the 300s? That's a good spot? He says that's a good spot. So, there we go. He doesn't like me to hold him like this either. We hold him like a little baby. Let me give him the cuddles. Oh. Yeah, we got to give a little Max accent. Oh, goodness. All right, I'll put you down, bud. Thank you, Mario. That's what you hear in the background. That's the Dotson. I had to show you guys my wiener. And he's barking again. Standing right next to me. All right, the winner is 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hope you guys are in the thing already there, guys. Hope you're in. Trust me, he gets lots of attention. That dog gets more attention than you can imagine. Guys, why y'all wait until the last second to get in here? Y'all trying to snipe it? Y'all trying to snipe it? Look at Room trying to wait till the last second to get in. All right, here we go. The winner is Sorel Golf. Sorel Golf, you are the winner. Where you at? You got 3 minutes. You got 3 minutes to make yourself known. Sorrel Golf is here. Sorrel, send me an email to methodicalman@gmail.com. It's pinned at the top of the chat. Click on your icon, top right corner of your screen. Show me that you're logged into your YouTube channel. Send a screenshot of that and send me your Take Profit Trader login email that you use, and we'll get you that 150K free account. Congratulations to Sorrel Golf. Everybody drop a W in the chat for Sorrel Golf. There we go. And I'll go ahead and get these codes out now. Let me find them. Copy. Let's create a new one. All right, let's get these codes sent out. Then we'll get some sudden big move. No, Rob, it's just going to be sideways. You did not win, ICT. You were late to the party. You did not win. All right, let me start at the bottom. Let's see here. We got Raul. We got Raul's code going out. Raul, your code is going out. There it is. We got Little Lil, Hums, your code is going out next. Well, shoot. There we go. So that's 2 codes. And who's next? Alan. Dun, 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 dun. Oh. Alan just sent me an email. Well, let's see. Who is this? Screenshot as requested. This is Night Owl. And my phone is being like really weird about... Okay, now it's letting me do it. It's not letting me get the codes going. We got Night Owl. And let's see who this is. Raniera Lima. God dang it. I need to do that. And guys, for anybody who won the trade day cash giveaway, I will be sending those emails over this weekend to trade day. So if you don't already have a Rise account, you need to go ahead and get signed up for Rise. Because those invites will go out this probably Monday. They'll go out, and then you'll have your money like, Monday, Tuesday, somewhere in there. So, Cruz, your account code just got sent over to you. So yeah, if you're not already on Rise, you're going to want to get on there. But those things should go out probably Monday or Tuesday. You'll get the invites, and that's when you'll get the money. So, Kosh, your code is going out to you now. Sorry if I'm not paying you guys any attention. I just want to get these codes out. Fish Lips, your code's going out now. And who else? Dun, 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 dun. The Punisher. Punisher is the last code, and then the winner of the TPT account. You just gotta get me that email over, and I will get that account set up for you. There you go, Punisher. There's yours. So that's all 8. Appreciate you guys. Thank you, Nate. Appreciate you being here. Appreciate you guys being here. How do you use this code? So you go to YRM Prop, to the prop firm, and you pick a 50K account, and you go to checkout, and at the checkout it says coupon code. You enter the coupon code, and it gives you the account for free. That's it. Yeah, I got you, Punisher. No worries. No worries. But congratulations to all the winners there. That is going to do it for me today, guys. I am going to be over on My Funded Futures TV in the next few minutes. We'll be doing some giveaways on there as well. So what up, Knowledge Hub? If you guys want to join me over there at My Funded Futures TV, me and Barbie will be on for an hour. Jump over there. First thing you're going to need to do is hit the like button, because I'm not going to do any giveaways until we get up to the likes that I deem necessary. So, but that's going to do it for me, guys. If you guys haven't already hit the like button on the way out, subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. Enjoy your weekend. I'm going to go to the Hawks game tonight, like I said. So if you guys are going to be at the Hawks games, I'll see you there. But otherwise, I appreciate you guys watching, and I'll see you next time.
Nasdaq's a tricky trader, beware the fall. Technical tools may help, but watch your wall. Hirami candles flicker, inversions come and go. Protect your cash, don't let it all blow. Nasdaq's a nasty girl, don't go full port. She takes your cash in a flash, be careful with your heart. The opening range trade still bangs, but stay alert. Methodical man prefers inversions, get your cash and protect yours. Market warning, listen close and heed. Daily payouts can fool, but they're not what they seem. Be resilient, don't give up, keep your guard tight. Trading isn't for the weak, so stay in the fight. Inversions rise, Hirami fall. Stay cautious, don't let your capital stall. Nasdaq's a nasty gal, don't go full port. She takes her cash in a flash, be careful with your heart. The opening range trade still bangs, but stay alert. Methodical man prefers inversions, get your cash